Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks. Today coming to you with a Master Pro Series 6121. This comes into us from Fast Charlie. So, what I've learned here with this lock is, let me zoom in a little bit here for you. When you put your tension wrench in this thing, it's going to have a tendency to want to bind up down here at the bottom. And it's not going to let you turn that core at all. See, there's nothing there. But if you move your tension wrench up towards the center of the core a little bit more, you have a little bit more flexibility with the core. So, let's see if we can't get it now. And there we go. There we go. We got her. Nice. Let me back this back up for us. All right. Let's see what Master Lock put inside this lock, shall we? So, just a reminder too, most Master Locks use a, I don't know if you can see it here. This is a 7/64. That's what they use on these weird Allen screws inside these things. So, here we go. Get a pinning tray here. All right. Having a hell of a time with these locks lately, you know. A hell of a time getting these things. So, oop. Now look what I did. There we go. Nice. All right. Let's do this the right way this time, shall we? There we go. And we have a standard, and the fifth pin is the standard with nothing in the core. I don't expect anything to be there. And let's see what we have up in the Bible, shall we? Spool, 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 and it looks like a weird serrated thing. So this is what you get, folks, in a Pro Series Master 6121. Still only 5 pins. Still very easy with the spools, and the serrated spool is terrible. So what I'm planning on doing is adding a 6 pin to this. I don't know if I'm going to rekey it or not, but adding a 6 pin at least, and serrating some of the using here in the core and serrating some of the pins. So thank you so much, Fast Charlie. Please check out his channel. This is K1 Lock saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.
I'm finding nothing, no point, just energy to burn.